and welcome to The Revenge of the Show. I hope you like and subscribe. So I'm going to do a video for Model Kit Monday. This is a video that the pictures were taken years ago. I did it for a sci-fi model action website, which is no longer in existence, I think. Anyway, it's TrekWorks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this Battlestar Galactica the landing base in for jump to Lightspeed. Now that's not what this kit was designed for, but I love that look. So I got to shave stuff around here and there, and then I got to cut these pylons, and I got to cut them exactly correct. And so I take a Dremel, cut them in half, and now the test fitting after test fitting after test fitting begins. Next time I do that, I'll put a wall in between if I ever do this kit again, so that if there's light behind it, you can't see through it. Anyway, those will not stand there by themselves, even with glue and stuff like that. So I got to build a base to put inside there. So it's a little bit easier said than done. And like I said, this was the first kit I built since I was like 15, so bear with me. I'm a better model builder now. So anyway, here we go, test fit, and we're going to shave a little bit of stuff here and there, around there, and test fit and test fit. Glue, no glue. I want to get it exactly right, and it's not that easy to get it exactly right, and I don't want stuff sticking out incorrectly. So, like I said, it's test fitting. By the way, there I finally decided to glue in those pylons, get them in place. They're a little bit, they don't fit perfectly in there, right? So I'm gonna have to use some putty. Like here it is without them in there. But once you put them in there, it's weird. And then I put some styrene underneath to hold those bays up. I put some greeblies here and there. Along the ship, there's some gray primer on here now. And now I put some, Tamiya chrome, I believe. And now I glue those in place. And now I got to putty them because they're just not, they look weird. Now it takes a long time it's the first time I puttied in a long time. So it's really ugly there. I eventually sand it down. I try to get the head even with the ship because it's a little bit too high on this model kit, and you got to cut like the apartment things. Now I put some styrene on there. I want these shields or these steel things to have like some depth in them. The kit doesn't have it, and I want to do a little bit more with it to make it look better. So there's the guns, and you got to cut the apartment things in half. I put some clear stuff on the guns to make it look like there's a guy in there or something. So here it is. Here's the ship all finished, all done. Season 3 or 4, just before last season, before it completely gets destroyed. By the way, I don't know if I said this already, but it does jump in like one of the seasons without the pylons being in, which is weird. But I think it came out really well. It's an easy kit to build. I wish it was bigger. You could bend the guns up and make them look kind of cool. You could get aftermarket stuff, but they're so small. But just bend the guns barrels up and you'll be fine. I did some battle damage there, and I put little drops of glue in some areas where the machine type guns were. And I don't like the over Aztecing of stuff without it making sense of why it's there. So I don't do over Aztecing, but I really wanted the lips of the steel to look like it was there. So that's why I use that styrene. It's a cool ship. I love the design of the old show, or the new show. Not the old show, that's pretty cool too, but this show was really great. This kit is really neat. I can't afford the really big kit that's out there. And then I put some steel little rods in there for like the antennas and stuff like that. And I dig it. Just, little extra things there and here and there. And I think it's a great looking ship. And I hope, again, you like and subscribe. This was Model Kit Monday. If you like builds, I could do more builds and show you more of my stuff that I do now and be more prepared for it, because this was not to be a YouTube video. This was just a little thing for this little website. Thanks again. Like and subscribe. And so say we all.